Okay guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Joe McCormick and I'm with the one and only Vegan Vicky again. We're doing our 6-week boot camp program. And today we're on day number 2, which is lower body. We're gonna be hitting the quads and the glutes. If you guys like today's video, hit the subscribe button, follow us for the full 6-week program. I guarantee you guys are gonna see fantastic results if you do everything that we're doing in our workout video. We also have a link to our website below, so if you're looking for a one-on-one consultation or a customized program specifically for you, we offer one-on-one online coaching. We have one of the coolest apps that you guys can follow for your workout program. So stay tuned for this workout and follow along, and we hope to see you guys out on the workout floor. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started with exercise number 1. We're gonna do mountain climbers. We're gonna do 3 sets of 45 seconds. We're gonna come down, get on the hands. The knee's gonna come up to the chest, leg back, and then we're gonna go back and forth right here. Tightening the stomach, tightening the abs as tight as possible. Back and forth. We can crisscross as well when we do these, work a little bit more of the abs. 3 sets, 45 seconds. Here we go, ready Vicky? Okay, here we go, ready and begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep moving those knees. 6, 7, 8, 9. A little bit faster. Come on. 10, 11, 12, 13. Knees all the way to the chest. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Keep moving. 19. Come on. 20, 21, 22. Excellent job. 23. All the way to the chest. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. You got it, Vicky. Come on. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, push it, 35, all the way to chest, 36, 7, come on, 10 seconds, 38, 39, 40, 5 seconds, 41, 42, come on, push it, 43, 44, 45, and relax. Excellent job. Okay guys, exercise number 2, we got squat thrust. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down with the hands, kick the legs out, all the way up, and jump. So a little bit slower, all the way out, kick the legs up, and then jump. That's 2 repetitions. We're gonna do 5 sets of 15 reps for this exercise. So last time, kick them all the way out, up, jump. Here we go, Vicky, let's get started on this exercise. Here we go, ready? And we got 15. 1, 2, good, jump high, come on, kick those legs out. 3, jump up high, nice. 4, 5, good, all the way up, jump high. 6, 7, excellent job, keep it up. 8, kick those legs out. 9, good. 10, come on, you got it, 5 more. 11, 12, yep. Come on, push it. 13, jump nice and high, come on. 14, and last one more, come on, keep them out. And 15, excellent job, relax. How'd that feel?
Good, very good. Look how it's good now.
Okay guys, we got exercise number 3, which is called sandbag squats. Most gyms have a sandbag. If they don't, you can use just a pair of dumbbells or a kettlebell. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna throw this up on my shoulders right here, keeping the back straight, feet pointed out, and all I'm gonna do is come down and squat, making sure my knee doesn't go behind in front of my toe line. It needs to stay behind my toe line. So I'm gonna squat down 90 degrees with my legs, and then I'm gonna come up, down, up, all the way down, all the way out. We're gonna do 3 sets, 60 seconds for this exercise. So make sure we get 3 sets, 60 seconds. Here we go, Vicky. Okay, and here we go, ready? And 60 seconds, begin. 1, 2, 3, good. 4, 5, bend those knees. 6, 90 degrees with those knees. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, keep it up, come on. 12, 13, 14, all the way down. 15, 16, 17, flex those quads, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, nice and deep, come on, 5, 6, 7, all the way down, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, you got it, Vicky, come on, 33, pushing, 4, 5, all the way down, 6, 7, 8, another getting tired, come on, 9, 40, you got it, 1, 20 seconds, 2, 3, 4, 15 seconds, 5, 6, 7, 48, all the way down, come on, 49, you got it, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way down, 9, one more, and relax, excellent job. Okay guys, exercise number 4, we're going to do alternating lunges with the sandbag. So we're just going to throw this back up on your shoulders, keeping the head straight, back straight. We're going to lunge forward and then kick back. 90 degrees with the knees, forward and back. We're going to do a total of 60 seconds for 3 sets of these. All the way down, all the way up. Just rotating legs, back straight, head up. Alright, here we go, Vicky. 3 sets, 60 seconds. Ready? And go. 1, 2, lunge all the way forward. Come on. 3, 4, 90 degrees with those knees. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Keep working those legs. Come on. 12, 13, 14, 15. Good lunge. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 3, 4, 5, good, 6, come on, push it, 27, 28, halfway there, 29, and 30, 31, 32, 3, come on, 30 seconds, 34, 5, 6, 7, 38, 39, 40, 20 seconds, come on, lunge forward, 41, all the way down, 42, 43, 44, don't let those knees hit the ground, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, you got it, 3, good lunge, 4, 5 seconds, 6, 7, 8, 9, and relax. Excellent, excellent job. Okay guys, exercise number 5, we're going to do side lunges. So we're going to throw the sand back up on your shoulders again. All we're going to do is lunge to the side, get a good stretch in the legs, and then come back up. Side, up, just rotating legs here. We're going to do 3 sets for 45 seconds for this exercise. Really good for the glutes, really good for the quadriceps. 3 sets, 45 seconds. Here we go, Vicky. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good lunge to the side. 6, 90 degrees with those knees. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You got it, Vicky. Come on. 15, 16, 17, 18. Good lunge to the side. Come on. 19, 20, 1, 2, 3. Flex those quads. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the way to the side. 9, 30, 1, 2. Keep it up. Come on. 33, 4, 10 seconds. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Come on. 5 seconds. All the way to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and relax. 5. Okay guys, exercise number 6 is what we call fire hydrants. This is for the glutes, the butt. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come hands down flat on the pad, arch the back, and then we're gonna come straight up with the leg, squeezing the glutes right here. All the way down, all the way up. All the way down, all the way up. We're gonna do 3 sets, 30 seconds on each leg. Ready? Let's get them done. 1, 2, come on, 30 seconds on each leg. 3, 4, get them up. 5, nice and high, squeeze those glutes. 8, 9, 10, 11, all the way up, Vicky, come on. 12, 13, nice and high. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, get them up, come on. 21, 22, squeeze those glutes. 23, 24, 25, 5 seconds. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Switch legs. 1, 2, get them up high. 3, 4, squeeze those glutes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, all the way up. Come on, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Come on, work those glutes. 18, all the way up high. 19, 20, 21, 22. You got it, Vicky. Come on, 23, 24, all the way up. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and relax. Okay guys, exercise number 7, what we're gonna do is we're call hip thrust. So we're gonna grab our sandbag again, because these are comfortable. If you don't have a sandbag, you can grab a straight bar and then wrap it with a pad as well. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back, put the box right on your shoulder your shoulder blades so it's comfortable. You're gonna keep your chin tucked down. You can hold on right here, but what we wanna do is drop the butt down and then come up and squeeze the glutes. So this is a glute exercise. You really want to feel that glute muscle tighten. Then we're going to come all the way down, again on our shoulder blades right here, and then come up and squeeze, flexing that glute muscle. Really great exercise for the butt, all the way down, all the way up. We're going to do 3 sets, 45 seconds. Keep this pad up against the wall so it doesn't slide. All the way down and all the way up. Here we go, let's get them done. 1, 2, pop those hips up. Come on. 3, 4, 5, squeeze those glutes. 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent job. Come on. 10, 11, 12, 13. Get those hips up. 14, 15. Nice. 16, 17. Squeeze the glutes. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Push it. 24. Squeeze those glutes. 25, 26, 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, come on, 32, pop those hips, 33, 34, 35, get them up, 36, 7, 38, all the way up, 39, 40, you got 5 seconds, 41, 42, pop those hips, 43, 44, and relax. Okay guys, we're on our final exercise. We got squats using a Smith machine. Now the beauty about a Smith machine, as you can see on the rack, it has a self-spotting system so the weight won't slam and fall on you. Every gym will have one of these. Pretty much every gym, I should say, would have one of these. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna rest our shoulder blades flat on rest the bar flat on our shoulder blades, keeping our head and our face and our eyes directly in front of us. I'd pick a target on the wall that you can look at while you squat. Hands are gonna be wide, feet shoulder width apart with the toes pointed out. So we're gonna come down 90 degrees with the knees and squeeze the glutes and the quads when we do this exercise. Really trying to flex those legs all the way down, up and squeeze. Now we're gonna do 5 sets of 15 reps. Ladies that start off using very light weight, you can use 5 pounds. You can even use the bar to start, but we're just gonna get 5 sets for 15 repetitions. Ready? Let's get them done. 1, 2, all the way down. Come on. 3, 90 degrees with those knees. 4, 5, good. Deep squat. 6, 7, all the way down. Come on. 8, squeeze those glutes, squeeze those quads. 9, 10, there you go. 5 more. 11, 12, keep that head up. 13, excellent job. All the way down, come on. 14, one more, you got it. And relax. Excellent job. Okay guys, that wraps up our resistance training for today. We're gonna wrap it up with doing cardio. We use what they call the FIT principle. It's frequency, intensity, time, and type. So we always change our cardio every single week. That way we aren't doing the same thing and your body adapts to it. So constant change, that way you keep progressing in your cardio. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna do the stair stepper. We're gonna do it for 15 minutes, starting off at a really easy level. We're gonna do level 3 or level 4 on the stair stepper. If you can't complete it, step off for about 15, 20, 30 seconds, rest for a little bit, and then get back on and continue doing it until you complete all 15 minutes. Your metabolism won't speed up until after 15 minutes, so that's when you actually start burning fat. So the 15 minutes is pretty much a warm-up, and then anything after 15 minutes is when your metabolism really starts speeding up and burning fat. So throughout our progression of our 6-week program, we're gonna start doing more than 15 minutes. Obviously, we're gonna get to 20, 30, 45 minutes, doing that 5 days a week. You know, you wanna burn about 500 calories when you come in for the week and do your cardio. 3,500 calories and 1 pound of fat. So if you're burning 5 calories or 500 calories a day doing your cardio, you're burning 1 pound a week just by doing cardiovascular. So let's go ahead and wrap it up with our stair stepper, and that'll conclude our workout for today. Okay guys, that concludes day number 2 of our workout series. This is a 6-week program. Hit the subscribe button, follow us for the whole 6 weeks. I guarantee you'll see fantastic results. We also have a link to our website where you can schedule a one-on-one free consultation with myself or Vicky. We're master trainers. We've been doing this for 9 years. We've helped people just like you lose weight, build muscle, and get in the best shape of their life. So please hit that subscription button. Click the link, schedule your one-on-one free consultation, and we look forward to seeing you for day number 3 of our series, which is gonna be upper body and a little bit of abs. Talk to you guys all soon.